Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, one thing that I learned about Umakhwela on this latest episode of Uthando Nesthembu is that she might be smiling, but it looks like Ugeli came in here prepared ukuthi she's not going to allow these other wives to walk all over her. Because tell me why Umakhwela says ukuthi indirectly ukuthi she's ready to fight the other wives. Well, in her own words, she said ukuthi I'll be sitting pretty on defense mode. And she says ukuthi if I have to defend myself, be it vocal or otherwise, I will do it. And I'm just like, Makhwela, hi Bogel, Kapela. You know, guys, if I'm just being honest, I just feel like Umakhwela came into this whole Uthando Nesthembu production shooting ngenqondo yokuthi she's young, she's a 2000, and I don't know, like she's coming to take things lightly. Because some of the comments she makes, I'm just like, girl, it seems funny, but mind your words because these words are gonna come back to bite you. Because tell me, why does she say when Umusa tells her to give him his medication, his morning medication, she basically says ukuthi giving medication is not her vibe. And I know ukuthi probably to her, guys, ukuthi maybe she was joking. Well, she didn't laugh when she said that. Probably to her, she was joking or it was something ukuthi ay phela mina ngincane, like I was not built for all of this. But I'm like, God, you go get married to a man this age and then you want to boldly say ukuthi giving medication is not your vibe. Do you know Ikraniki? Chronic girl ukuthi chances are you are probably going to be a person or with chronic medication is probably going to be on that medication for a very long time. So it just gives funny vibes ukuthi usanda ungena but you're not willing to take care of your sick husband. So like what are you here for, girl? Do you understand what I'm saying? But I just feel like Ugeli, maybe it's because she's still excited, or maybe it's because she's still in honeymoon phase. But some of the things she says, it's funny and I'm laughing at them. But I'm like, girl, this thing is going to catch up with you. And knowing Umusa, when you guys don't get along, he's going to use these very same things and use them against you. One day you will not be getting along with any of these wives and they're going to quote those words which you wear now, which you will defend yourself. You will be on defense mode. Ushuguti, that's why you're fighting with people or arguing with people because you're on defense mode. Girl, aphela. And then, guys, let's also talk about when Umakhwela and Umusa go and introduce or go and tell Umatsele indaba yoguti they're pregnant and all of that. I don't know about you, but it was giving me daughter and mother vibes. The way they were so comfortable with one another, Umakhwela ben Umatsele, it was literally giving daughter and mother vibes. Not Umatsele, I mean angithembi, guys. Umatsele, was she not the one busy sort of complaining ukuthi indlu yakhe asesipha iphenduka i-crash or something like that? And yet when uSamke says ukuthi soyiletha lana ingane for you to babysit, she says ukuthi awuna inkinga. How? Kodwa Matsele, why? Why? Anyway, but I was just saying, what do you see these two? We saw it with Utobile and Umatsele getting along very well, you guys. Where what happened, where asazi, but abazwan namhlanje. And I have a feeling that's going to be the same vibes that's going to go on with Umakhwela ben Umatsele. That something is just, I don't know where it's going to tip off or whatever, but I just need Umakhwela must not be too comfortable and think Umatsele is there for her, because we see Umatsele speaking about the other wives saying ukuthi hey bazoti yimina oguse emzumbe and whatnot. I'm like, why is Umatsele feeling so comfortable talking about other wives? No Makhwela. Because even Umakhwela's response, she's saying it ngendlela yokuthi like the other wives are against her and Umatsele is the only one who's for her. I'm just like, Umakhwela, I'm gonna need you to enter this thing with the mindset yokuthi uyi-one. Soldier, usempini. Not even your man Umusa is there for you, because now it seems all good. But listen, don't take sides. Don't think who and who and who, because honestly, none of those wives besides Utobile, which I stand to be corrected, has anything personal against you, they are fighting with their men. So don't go there fighting Umatsele's fights and busy talking about otherwise, because when this thing turns around, it's not gonna be cute. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. Ay, umakhwela wakhona, guys. Hey. Ah, you can. When Musa said ukuthi she's a smart one, she really does seem like a smart one, you guys. But anyway, we'll wait and see ukuthi what happens. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next